Short note on ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations is an economic union comprising of 10 member states in Southeast Asia, which promotes the intergovernmental cooperation and facilitates economic, political, security, military, educational, and socio-cultural integration among these members and other countries in Asia. Its headquarters is at Jakarta in Indonesia. The ASEAN Declaration states that the aims and the purpose of the association are to accelerate the economic growth, social progress, and cultural development in the region. A major partner of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, ASEAN maintains a global network of alliance and dialogue partners and is considered by many as a global powerhouse. The motto of ASEAN is one vision, one identity, one community. This is a short note on ASEAN. Then what is the world government? State and explain the attempts made by different states in the direction of world government. So the world government or the global government or a cosmocracy is a concept of a common political authority for all humanity, giving a way to a global government and a single state or a polity with jurisdiction over entire world. There has never been an executive, legislature, judiciary, military or a constitution with world government. Next, write the causes of failure of League of Nation, and the objectives and principles of United Nation Organization. So the causes that lead to the failure of League of Nation. First, we have to write what is the League of Nation. It was an international organization founded after the Paris Peace Conference in 1919. The League's goal included disarmament, preventing war through collective security, settling disputes between the countries through negotiation, diplomacy, and improving global welfare. Now, what are the causes? The causes are domination of France and England. It was held that the League of Nations was dominated by England and France, and consequently, the other states begin to lose their confidence in that organization. Then, absence of great power. There were many states which considered the Treaty of Versailles as a treaty of revenge and were not agree for it. So many members refused to be the member of the league. The absence of great power from the international organization weakened her and was partly responsible for its ultimate failure. Japan, Germany, and Italy also left the league, and their defection was have weakened the league. Then rise of dictatorship. The rise of dictatorship in Italy, Japan, and Germany also weakened the chances of success of the League of Nations. Loss of faith in league. Small nations lost their faith in the effectiveness of the league to save them from any aggression. The principle of collective security was not followed in actual practice. Then narrow nationalism. Narrow nationalism was still the dominant among the peoples of the world. France was increasingly concerned with her national security. Japan was intoxicated by her emergence as a world power, and Italy desperate has a desperate to redress her damage. This is the narrow nationalism. Then lack of mutual cooperation. The member of the league have the lack of mutual cooperation which lead to failure. For France, the league was an instrument for providing her security from Germany. On the other hand, Great Britain wanted league protecting her imperialist interest, and Hitler found the league a great hurdle on the way of rise of Germany. So here the reasons that lead to the failure of League of Nations. First is domination of France and England, then absence of great powers, as the great powers were not present in the league. So the small states or those countries were weak. They thought that it is not the safest platform where they can be safe. Then the rise of dictatorship, then the loss of faith in the league, then narrow nationalism, lack of mutual cooperation.